cheese sauce with red sauce on top.
I'll take it.
Okay,
Sounds great.
that's good. What kind of rice you want, boss?
I don't care.
Okay. Do you want beans?
Yes.
Okay. Black's fine? Or you want to refry?
We'll do the other one, yeah.
That one? Okay. What kind of meat, sir? So you can put two meats, different meats. That one that's brisket, that's barbacoa brisket.
Looks great. I'll do that one.
That's, you can put some meats, so whatever you want. Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Thank you.
Do you want queso on it?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Okay. Any toppings, sir?
No, pico.
Pico. Okay.
I don't know. I don't care. I'll put anything. Let's do the habanero.
That's super spicy.
That's fine.
That's fine? Okay. Okay. Tomatoes, lettuce.
Tomatoes too.
Okay.
And cheese.
White? Sure.
Yeah.
White. Any sauce?
You pick. I don't care.
That one's good. That's chipotle mayo. That's fine? Alright.
Great.
Good?
Thank you.
Okay.